How to gain followers on Lemon8. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to gain followers on Lemon8. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Lemon8 application on your device. Now to gain followers, ensure that you create a cover photo that includes a keyword and also include a keyword in your post headline and caption. We all know that most platforms put a big focus on being optimized for search, and doing this from the start with Lemon8 will give you an advantageous edge. By being optimized for search, you're likely to get discovered by users who want and need what you have to offer when they search and platform. And this increases your chance of getting new followers. Also, always include a catchy headline or hook on your cover photo or as text overlay on your video. While keywords will help you get discovered, you want to create a sudden sense of excitement and get Lemon8 users to stop scrolling when they come across your content. In your post, take the opportunity to invite your audience to give you a follow. As mentioned above, the app provides plenty of caption templates for you to try, and many of these templates include a reminder to include a call to action. Since the app does give you the opportunity to enter 10 hashtags, if you can find 10 relevant ones, it is recommended to use them all. Doing hashtag research at the beginning of your journey on the app is the key, as well as using the search bar to see relevant key searches to help you optimize your copy. Also, never forget to include your location tag. We've seen that sometimes brands and creators don't include a location tag because they don't want to be known for a specific region only. This is a big mistake for both brands and creators alike. Many brands who seek out influencers do not care about your location, as they are international brands with audiences in various demographics. On the other hand, local brands can easily get discovered by being consistent when using the location hashtag. It's an important part of optimizing your post, so these are a few methods on how you can gain followers on Lemon8. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.